Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. You're going to be seeing this way later than when I've actually started to use this stuff because August is a very busy crafty September. It's frickin' September. September is a very busy month of me just basically doing the September Build a Journal Challenge. So you're not going to see this till October, but it is September 8th and I don't have any page kits left. And I'm trying to do my journal with me video and I don't have any page kits. So I do have all of these that I made out of my scraps. And then I went through all of my stuff, all of my homemade stuff, and I have this. And I have this ephemera box right here in front of me. So I thought we would quickly go through and make some page kits. And of course I should record it because why wouldn't I? I see right away that this purple here, that goes great with that purple. So there's pink and green, and this goes good with that. Here's this green. Ooh, I like that with that. So I'm just quickly going through and choosing what stuff looks better. I really like this piece. I'm just going to use this piece and add stuff to it because I like this better. What about this right here? Okay, and this has a tag in it. I don't know if you've ever seen this video. I will try to remember to link it below, but this is like one sheet single cards that you could send out. And I have them in my ephemera box, so I figured why not use them. All right, we have this. And, oh, what about that? There we go. This purple again. We'll use that. We have all these pinks. We'll use this. And then this piece here. Let's bring in this with that piece there because there's the yellows and stuff in the butterflies and different color pinks. All right, let's put these back over here so we're not confused about what we're looking at. Some purples and yellows. Here's this You Are My Sunshine. And this clocks and vellum. There we go. I think that looks good. Green. Oh. There we go. Strawberries and green. Let's see. How about this one? No. What else do we have here? What about this one? Okay, other stuff's going to get added, but I wanted to go through this and get rid of this stuff first. That, and then we'll go through and grab other items. Okay. Anything else? Are there more of these that we can use? Because this is actually, I believe, the matching paper. I believe that's the matching paper. And we have here, no, I kind of want to use this Hello Sunshine and this creepy clown face because it makes me laugh. All right, and this one here. Okay, more strawberry. Oh, here's lemons. Let's add the lemons to the lemons. There we go. And we have strawberry and green. I think this right here. All right, these can go back in for the next round. I'm gonna have to make more homemade ephemera one of these days. I'll have to give myself a mental note on that. All right. Now we're just going to pull some other things out of here. That way I can just start. I'm just going to pull this whole chunk out. Why am I even going through it? I don't know. Here's some fall stuff. I don't need fall. Oh, you know what? I'm a dum-dum. Hold on. Guys, I have all this stuff too. Remember, I just cut, and I have Dachshund iron-on transfers in here. But I just cut all of this stuff out. So let's just start grabbing some things. And then we'll go from there. So I'm just grabbing piles. All right, that's it. Okay, and now I'll put that away. If it'll go back in. And, oops, grab that. Okay, and we're going to grab these out again and start over. So now we have them out again. So let's see here. Oh, this is cute. That little tab. And then what about, do we have any journaling cards that would go well? I happen to pull out. All right, there we go. That one's done. Now we have this one, and let's see. Oh, we need, of course, the yellow, right? Actually, why don't we use this yellow? Okay, and then anything else? Well, this, yes, that will fit, so we'll grab that. Okay. And we have this. Kind of like this one better. So we'll grab that and anything else. Pardon my, how about throwing some black? There we go. And we have this guy with his always with the strawberries. Let's add a pair of glasses. Okay. And I have a strawberry circle cut out there. We're not going to do that. Okay, there we go. Then we have this, and I had, where'd that go? That's not it. Where did it go? Here it is. We're going to add that in. And, nope. Nope, we're not going to add in black here. How about some green? All right, great. Now we have this one. These are at least darker colors, so what can we do with this? I have that gray, and there we go. There's no rhyme or reason to it. It's just grab what looks okay or what I think I'll want to use. That's all it comes down to. No. No. Yes. Get in there. And maybe this strip of flowers. Okay, there we go. This one, I wanted to grab this. Okay, and something else. I have some puzzle pieces here. Should I just... Random colors, they don't match. And this one, and I'll just throw these in and you just glue those on the page. There we go. Alright, we have this one here. Let's do this red tag because it matches the red in the strawberries. And then What about this green tag? All right. This has something in it already, so I don't think we need much, but what about just that? And how about, no. I guess that's really everything, huh? There we go. We have this one here, so now we need something that'll look really good. And how about or should we do this one? Let's do this one and a little tag. Okay. Oh, let's not use the same paper, shall we? Let's use that. I mean, it's just, you know what? No. Let's take that. There we go. And what else do we have? A heart. Sounds great. All right. We have this and then we have that, but let's add maybe something else in here. How about this? Something dark. Something dark for all the brightness that's on there. We have this one. We'll add this little pink heart. And maybe a tag. We find a tag. How about this floral tag? There we go. And purple. Do we have anything I can go with? Yes, we have this dark tag. And why don't we take another strip of flowers? Okay. And add some pink. And then maybe I want something dark. Here we go. Nope, let's use this. That little tiny tag. And this is why I'm so happy I did all it took all that time. It took forever. But I cut out all that stuff and now I'm just grabbing what I have and I'm able to find items to use in my journal kits. That's why I like to pre-cut things out. There's this little flower floating around. I'm just gonna, it came from inside my collapsible crate, so we're just gonna throw it in there. No, we don't need more plaid. We don't need more plaid. Okay, I know that it's fall. It's getting to be fall, and plaid is like everything, but we don't need more plaid. Promise you we don't. All right, there we go. And we have this one with the green and the pink and the plaid. I did not see that plaid. Anybody else see that plaid? This will not work with that plaid. Let's see. I think this will. Yes, this will. Okay. That would not work with the plaid. Good thing I looked. This is green, and then what else do we have in here in this pile? Nope. Let's put some black in there, why not? And then this last one, this last purple one, let's put, what's in here? What colors are in here? Still just purple and pink. I feel like I kind of want to throw this yellow in for a little bit of other color. Oh, and then there's this, which that color is in there. and anything else. I don't see anything else. How about this pink heart? All right, there we go. That's it. The rest of the stuff can get put away, so we'll take these and put them back in my ephemera box. Okay, I think that's all of them. Yep, so that goes back in my ephemera box. And then these go back in my drawer. I should have kept out some tabs, huh? Let me grab some. Then when I'm journaling, I can, you know what? No, I didn't grab them in the first place. I'm not going to grab them now. We're not going to keep doing this or we'll be here forever. All right. Okay, so here we go. All of these page kits, and what's nice is since I spent the time in another video putting together the scraps into pieces that I liked, and I spent time in another video other than that cutting out all of those die cuts, I was able to quickly make, I mean, it's been what, 16 minutes, and I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've made 20 page kits in that little bit of time because I did the prep work ahead of time. Awesome. Love it. Thank you so much for joining me. And like I said, you'll have seen me use these already, but please hit the like button if you've liked this video and the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.